Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit. We're here again. Anyway, this video is to show you how I'm not a professional, I'm attempting to install a bed cover, if you will, for the 2004 Chevy Colorado. Okay? And trying not to get stung by these damn bees, because they're all over the place. See them right there? They're all over. I think they like the color orange sunburst. I don't know what it is. And maybe they have a thing down there. I gotta check. They might have a little honeycomb down there that they started up. But they do it anywhere. Anyway, this is the truck. Still in one piece. Looking good. So now I gotta look in there to see if these guys are down there somewhere. Let me see. Because they sting, and they sting pretty hard too. You will feel it. So get away. Let's see. I'm pretty sure somewhere on there where I can't. It's gonna be hard to reach. And I only got a little bit of the spray left. Okay, we got that up. Oh my God, somewhere gonna be hard. I can't get through it through there. So I don't know how I'm gonna get to these bees, if they're even there. Yep, they're there. But I don't know where's their honeycomb at. I keep seeing them flying. See, you see them in there? The honeycomb is somewhere in there. See, they come out. Anyway, this is not about bees, but I'm gonna have to get back to you guys because I gotta get this under control before they sting me and swell me all up. And in the meantime, let me show you the parts. This is the top. I got it on realtruck.com, I believe. No endorsements because they don't endorse me. This is the other rails. They go on the side here. One here, one over there. This is the tools that you're gonna need. The pieces for the bracket to hold these. They got some already on here. I guess these are for the sides. And these are the instructions, which they almost flew away. In here somewhere. Yep. I gotta wrestle with this. And this is the Velcro rubber cover that goes in here. I guess so. It goes from here to here to there, and then they threw in an extra little light to illuminate in there, I guess, as a bonus. So with that being said, let me get rid of these bees and I'll be right back. Peace. Okay, part 2. Okay guys, so far I've taken the rails and these things. I'm gonna probably have a hard time because of this plastic right here. So you see over there. So you put these rails here. These are gonna clamp on. I gotta move that one. These are gonna hold with the other ones on the bottom. I believe with these here. They're gonna attach to those up there. So do something like this, I guess. Something like that. And then gotta find a way to get it all the way in there. Yeah. And then that goes in and the screw goes in, that holds the screw, I believe. And I believe it's these big fat ones. I gotta read up on that. This is the second side, the other side rather. The opposite. You'll get it. Either one. This, I'm trying to slide it over. Because I'm not gonna have none to clamp it to up here. So I must move it over. Why are they so difficult? Right here to give me an edge where I can clamp it onto. Okay, then this, that leaf don't go there. This is the part that we're gonna snap on in here. Somewhere this goes in here. It's supposed to snap in according to the instructions. With this little, well, when you gotta turn the screw to tighten it up. This screw, once you put this in there, you gotta go through the back here to tighten this screw. That's gonna be over here. This piece will be here. Actually, like this. And then you're gonna tighten the screw to tighten this into place. All right? Same thing on the opposite side. So hold on for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I managed to get the snap this piece into the rail, into this piece into this piece. Then, like I was telling you, see that screw right there? That's the screw you're gonna tighten this up with those Allen keys that they provided. Or you could use your own. These, I think they're called Allen keys. I don't know what screw. I gotta figure out. I think it's these big ones. But anyway, it has to be because there's no more. That's a dumb question. And then later on, you gotta adjust this. If it's too off, you adjust this by loosening the screw back here. These two with the Allen key, with the skinny one. There's a fat one and skinny one. And you adjust in case it's not flush with the door. All right. So as I continue, man, this would have been much easier with two people. It's hard for one person alone, and especially under this heat, this blazing heat. Whew, it's like 90 degrees out here. Okay. And then I can't do it at night because it's poor lighting here, and I don't have no light. So now I'm gonna attempt to put these clamped into this. Okay. And I'll be right back in just another second. All right, guys, this is the finished, semi-finished product. I lost the original audio. I don't know what happened to it. The video is there, but the audio is not. What I'm showing you is the rubber that's going to go around. But before you install that rubber, you must have cleaned that area real good. I cleaned it with a rag first and some soapy water, and then after that, I took the. That's where you got to start from, up there, to put the rubber piece. I took some alcohol. That's 90 proof, and a towel, and I cleaned the whole edge to make sure that there is no oil or dirt or dust that might not let that rubber piece stick. So I had a little trouble with locking after a while of finagling it back and forth, trying to understand how this thing works, because they don't show you that part in the instructions. You have to measure at the corners. There's a little measurement thing there, like a little ruler, and you gauge how far back you want the piece to come, because obviously it's got to come to where there's the openings. When you close the hood, the back of the door, you close the door, it shouldn't hit or impede the thing from closing. So yeah, I did everything I was supposed to do. I kept playing with it. I kept pulling it, stretching it, trying to see why it wasn't locking, because that was the problem I was having. It wasn't locking. So then I went over there to check. Under here, there's two rubber pieces that you're gonna pull them over. So when you roll it back down, you clamp it to that little corner metal piece. That's how you hold it while you're driving, while you're rolled up. You must try to straighten it out, as I did there. I was trying to get it nice and straight. That part gave me a little hard time, but after a while, the sun hits it, and especially in Florida, it'll stretch a little bit more. And that's when you tighten it. It has Velcro on the side of the tracks. So, yeah, I hope that this helps you out in trying to mount it. I put the brackets underneath. I tightened them up. And I did everything I had to do. Okay, what I'm showing you over here is that those two little screws there are the ones that you got to loosen to adjust the size, the fitment of both sides. There's a little ruler. You adjust it with that with those little screws. You adjust it, and that's how you get to be able to close the bed cover. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Here we go. I got this grommet, rubber with the 3M in the back, or the sticky 3M tape. I started up here. I don't know if I'm in the right area. The instructions don't even tell you. But anyway, you got to put some pressure on it. I decided to cut it here. I was going to leave it and go, but I decided to cut here, and I cut a little wrong. Should have cut it at the other angle. But anyway, you know what I mean. Stick it on here. Follow this all the way to the same thing. Snip it, and then start up here, or whatever you decide, whatever one you want to do it. That's how I did it. Start here, cut it, and then put the rest. And that should be it for the I keep saying grommet, for the rubber. That bushing that goes there. So I guess that's for the water. All right, we'll be back when I'm gonna do the final video of the completed job. All right, hang tight. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. Door closes and opens. See, nice and easy, no obstructions. And that should be it for this video. Installation of a 2004 bed cover. I'm so tired I can't even speak right. All right, guys, no problemo. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully it'll be sooner than this one.